Robert here from supersneaky.com, just showing you our hardware and a little install we did. Okay, so this is an interesting little job. We've got a garage with 10 inches of headroom space. Okay, this is an AMR garage door that we installed. You can see that it clears the door header. I don't know if you can see the spring up there. There we go. There's a Super Sneaky right there. Now the interesting part about this job, and what makes the Super Sneaky system so versatile, is that right there you see that is a man door. Okay, so we had to get the door in, and just tall enough so that it clears underneath the door track. So if you had a double track low headroom set in there, that door would probably come to right about there and then clunk on the track. So that works good. The AMR door worked really nice. There's your operator in there, track. There's your operator. Yeah, so if you've got a garage door problem, call us at supersneaky.com and we'll fix you up. Thanks.